Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, 3rd of February, a wee bit of snow for us in Copenhagen here this morning. Checking with you for our daily declutter. I've got quite a few items to show you. Remember, we're just looking for one to start with every single day. And a wee reminder, if you're doing the Flylady system along with me, our daily focus for today is tidy out your handbag, look in the car, is there anything there that you can tidy out? Date night. You may find a few clutter items in your handbag. That'll be an easy start for you. But I've been working in Flylady Zone 1 this week. The entryway, the hall, the dining room. A few more items from the hall cupboard. A backpack that I got at a swap party. I've used it a couple of times and I'm not going to use it again. So back to the swap it goes. A thermal jacket I got from the swap party, I think a couple of years ago. I prefer my little puffer jacket, you know, the one that folds down and goes into a little bag. I use that a lot underneath my winter coats to give me that extra layer of protection. So I prefer this one, so I don't need to keep the other one. Oh, and a few items, keep things in the hall cupboard. I found quite a few boxes for spectacles, you know, for glasses that we're not going to need. So those are going. Some bookmarks. And these cloths for cleaning glasses. I mean, how many do you need? You may want to look through your hall cupboard. I'm sure you've got plenty of shopping bags. I like to, you know, fold them KonMari style and I keep them like that. And that way they're kind of contained. And well done on your decluttering yesterday. Everybody who's posted on YouTube and on my Facebook page and on Instagram. I asked you to find the smallest thing that you could do declutter. And I asked you to do that because quite often we'll hang on to some kind of tiny thing because it doesn't take much space. But the problem is they start building up and there's no need to be hanging on to these things. And you have been decluttering a button, an earring where you've lost the partner, hair elastics that were no longer usable. Just let's get those things out of our homes. And how's it going with your self-care this week? I'm almost through my little self-care bingo chart. These are my snowdrops from the garden for anybody who's not familiar with snowdrops. I need to get back to work. Over to you. Going to find one thing that you can declutter today, and I will check in with you again tomorrow, February 4th on Saturday. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you, and I'll see you tomorrow with the wrap. Okay, off you go.